Guys. Me come the chat. Me boy piece of yam. Fast. I eat it with what we name the she. I can't put the phone to work. I don't want to show my panty. Guys, you can shot name sexy Tikki. Yeah, me glad you're not going no foreign. And I just the truth. You're going like you're somebody when something good happen to people. It pinch your skin. You can't see it in your face. You have one like a fake smile. Your blood clot, your fucking face big like a pig. Your fucking face big like a pig. But you want to go foreign. I was sorry, no foreign in our blood clot. Oh. Fucking face. The guilt and the yannick favor for the iguana them around there, so. The guilt and the yannick favor for the iguana them around blood clot there, so. No foreign, and I just the truth. I know why you go nowhere. Let me see the phone for chat. I don't want to show my panty. Oh, I don't want the phone. I have to go and go upstairs and come. When you come and you chatter, just laugh after you. Me I go mad you. You want to know when we live in America? If a basement, if a creasement, and who me live with, and who me yam, and who me go cause you never want me must come true. So I me feel glad now if you come true. Me glad how you no go. Me glad how you no go. Big heavy duty cocky bully girl. Me glad how you don't go and adjust the truth. Stay right there so. Right a see if you turn a ton cruff. When TikTok lock down you go sell bag peanut. Where did I go England go do? Sell nuts? Where did I go England go do? Sell nuts? They have as much peanut cart there. And that when I go England go do sell nuts? They have as much peanut cart there. I don't see for your purpose of going to England. And I just the truth. Don't see for your purpose of going to England. Me see people are talented that go to England. You're talented in your back. Where you the talented in your back? Me glad how you no go. Me glad how you no go. And I just the truth. Me not pretend. Me not say this and me not say that. I mean, I pretend like the rest of the girls. I say, Jesus, I did want you to get the experience. Experience in your big pussy. What kind of experience? What kind of experience? Experience in your big gun hole? I'm glad how you don't go. Move your blood clot. You think God asleep? You think God asleep? You want to know so I like people when you walk out the wickedness to them at prayer. You don't want to know so I like people when you walk out the wickedness to them at prayer. Blood clot. Tell me here say somebody has something. I saw. Missy Boo did that. Cause you already I tell her say you have two what you want and you make it be a problem to you. Because when I see girl have ambition, you hate them. Mackerel bill while like a house you cause the girl every night or day how we anti-game piece of land. And he bill while and he go catch up while like one room party. Why you make somebody give while like a piece of land to you go catch up while like one room party and show the crow say you have ambition. You hate that word the Rosealee. When I hear that word they make your belly run. When I hear that word they make your belly run. Blood clot to me glad how you don't go. And then that me say, I'm not going to pretend with no girl. Oh, cause when things happen to you, good. When things happen to you, when things happen to a girl good, you know, congratulate them. You come and bring them down. All like Candy, you know. Remember when Candy I don't want to rank and I make how much money they pay, you tell me how you know like Candy, you know. Okay, no. I just train enough people to see how me say nothing. Nothing good will happen to people. You see how candy a rank or candy a make you money. And you talk tell me say you don't like candy. Because candy make loud and make too much noise. And you don't like people with louder than you. And when you don't have nobody to play a match with you, we play 1 or 2 with him. Clot, I think you're starting up yet. You think you're starting up yet? Think you starting blood clot not yet? You think you're starting up yet? A day I must laugh more laugh after you. Blood clot, you never hear say when you dig one you must dig two. And first laugh and a laugh. You never hear say when you dig one you must dig two. And first laugh and a laugh. Which I'm gonna put no salt in the pot in a chat. If you pay 5 pieces, I am must can't help me. Yeah. Blood clot, yo. Never why you must go no foreign. I candy will fly out to the air. Everybody fly out and you can't fly out. A girl fly out and you fly in. Your passport can't bring you go further than out a half a trip or date your family them. Go buy blood clot Kentucky. You're the only girl missing go a taxi stand with your passport no blood clot or fly out and take taxi with your passport. Every girl take plane with them passport, you take taxi with for you. Every girl go to airport with for them passport, you go a taxi stand with for you. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. It's just the blood clot truth. Every girl take plane with them passport. Every girl me know take plane with them passport. Yeah? Me glad so till. Give me glad one more time. Give me glad one more blood clot time. Blood clot, yo. You think God asleep? You think God asleep? You worry about every girl when nothing good for your life. And if man I go tell about how Rosealee you put your visa will this and your visa. Rosealee tell the man come suck out your pussy. Tell the man say Sarah you told me don't find out come England come suck out my pussy and me you know that cause you can apply for England visa all next 4, 5, 6 years. And so England visa go. Your blood clot you. Me dey in our country now. But all me fi do I do the right thing and me get my book and my passport and me have to apply for no visa. When me become American citizen. But that's so good part yeah. She tell me like Rosealee you see. And right blood clot this so. But you are go England. Go with England, go do what? Go present yourself at the blood clot zoo and turn up and sing your national anthem. I am a hag haggy do, I am a hag wanna in the muddy too. I am a great big dash with belly haggy do, yeah. I love to walk and yam baby. Yeah. I am a Sumal cemetery. When you have your dead and want to bury them body, don't check Dove Cotton or the made a rest nor cemetery. I hate you like poison. You think me are your friend? And me and you will never be friend. You have a plastic smile. You know, like it could happen to people. Boy, you call me man phone. Boy, you want, I use me, I use the boy, I use Tikki. And me I go tell him how to use Tikki and get to Tikki money from him. Try if me have something to tell the boy, just block you and delete WhatsApp. So no matter. I hear to you see, or my blood clot die. Think you're starting up yet? You think you're starting up yet? You picking it up with them where you am? You baby it up with them where you run you down? And the blood clot mama where you beat? Eh? You worry about me. See me I cook anything when I want ya. I really feel like go buy food. Me sure no say me come by here so when I auntie them buy me food then have to. Blood clot. Kaden loves me. You present yourself at the zoo. And when you see the issue where you keep on your watch for your phone, you're supposed to drop down. When you see the issue where you keep on your phone, you're supposed to drop down. When you see that movie that you keep on your phone, you're supposed to drop blood clot down, eh? How do you do? How do you do? Mahmoud. Mahmoud. Mahmoud no gone to England. You think say God asleep? If I too look chilling here, make a TikTok I can hype for poor people. So then what about when they go what about when they are in England? Hmm? Hmm? Mahmoud, what you mean I go to England go do? Yes, Rosealee, foreign me foreign me me love. Foreign pot, foreign plate, foreign cup, clot. A foreign you want to reach, you take the black pot off of your machine outside. Alright, this so you turn a ton cuff when TikTok lock then you start to walk and sell back peanut downtown. Your blood clot you. You want like you wish nothing good for people. You wish nothing good for blood clot people. You wish nothing good for blood clot people. Right there you turn a ton cuff. Me don't want like this you wish good for anybody and me who know me always give me a tell people congratulations and me always have to people. Me see Candy Boy want about blood clot highest boss. One of the caravan one them. And me happy feel little girl so till. Me say little girl a try man. Yeah man, so people must try to elevate themselves in a life. People must grow. Use the only bitch me see things happen for good and me don't like. When me hear say you got England, me say start pick me skin. You couldn't go. But when you don't attack Rosealee, me think say the visa did happen on the visa. What you call them people there? What you call them people there chat? The people them over embassy with turned on visa, what you call them? Immigration. The immigration them will turn on the visa, me say, boy, I would have give them one, would have buy the immigration they are here, you know. And it's just the truth. Rosealee would have buy the immigration they want to be here. My people me live with. Remember me a refugee, me have to clean. Like when me a cook, me clean. And you don't love to do them as something so you can't go foreign. You don't love to do them as something so you can't go foreign. Remember small river town you live. Remember small river town you live, you could go foreign. It me say it's sweet, me see. Mahmoud. My blood clot mode. When me yes you not go England, me say it's sweet, me see. Maybe I wonder if I truth. Your blood clot, yo. I'm a mother father page and baby father. I wonder what they like for the living room. Rosealee. Oh, me check out this off of my foot, guys. Bumble clots. Oh, me check out this off of my foot. It can't come out, you know. Guys, you see this, Seti, it can't come out. I want me press pan and it come out. Jesus Christ. Something, run that, sir? Wow. Rosealee, watch her. Oh, my. Wow. Wow. Rosealee. 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 Wow. Oh my. You can't go foreign. Foreign, why do you turn on Rosealee? Rosealee is not a nice person. Do this beat me that foreign. America hard to come out of England. So nobody feel like I don't listen to nobody else say England harder to go. If you have a show keep a England or a wedding or a funeral, then we accept you like that. Then just not go get up our grant you a visa. Auntie fine when what auntie I grant you a visa like say them I grant you a visa for just coming out the country. Follow me new page auntie I come me give you moderator. I just give a visa in the country like that. I give moderator auntie I just give moderator like that. No, they not go do that they at England. They in America, you will tell them say you come at the funeral or they not give you the visa. Auntie find when I can be Angela, Auntie Rosealee say me hungry or say me auntie come and go give me something. Same with England. No, England harder fi come. What me Francis? Some people believe I always say England harder fi come more than America. America harder to me. America we just give more visa out to more people. When England we turn down nothing. Hi baby, what me just pass? Alright, auntie, me I look in the boo. Auntie fine when I can be something auntie. Me glad how she don't go. Somebody say mad me. It's a girl that women know where you're from. Nobody take mad. Take all grand mad. Take all grand auntie mad. Take the whole generation. Me other page get banned. How are you, Josh Pass? Me the writer so she lied on my big fat dirty pussy. Tikki aho and you. Nobody on me. Rosealee visa get denied. I me rejoice. Nobody on me. Rosealee visa get denied. I me rejoice. Now nobody not have nothing. England reject Rosealee. England turn on the animal. Sweet me, you see? Rosealee had big TV. Rosealee, big TV. Big TV. Set you make you press sick on the side of the church out the foot out so I lie down in there. Big set you make you chest sick on the side and the church out the foot so I lie down in there. Say robot seti. Robot blood clot seti. A robot me call it. Look if my yam don't cook, I yam me a eat. Yam butter. Can me can't afford salt in America. Oh. It will take like more heat. I me can't afford it sardine. Mahmoud visa get denied. And my house, my love. Show me a nice somebody and me a good people and me heart clean. God always